Okay, so let me show you a quick video where realtors are using drones. Okay, so on one of my favorites here, this guy, um, he he sells farms. Uh, so he's a what we call a real estate broker. They sell farms, and I want to show you some of the things he does. Uh, Go here real quick. Right. On this website, people can shop for a farm. And so, like for example, you can go here, and he often makes uh, a video on here. Let me see this. You um, let me show. Hang on just a second. I'm gonna find one where he has a video. Okay, so this is a farm, and you can look at the pictures here. These are various pictures. And he took these pictures from a drone. Well, let me show you this here. We'll click right here.
For any man with a swollen prostate, do not drink water. Did you
I
know that
always have to
prostate
have
problem?
some ad, right? Okay, but here's a drone now flying, and this helps a farmer that wants to buy this property take a look at it. And farmers are also using drones to find out where there's dry spots and where they might need to spray some pesticides or that kind of thing. This is how a realtor might use a drone. And anyhow, the drone technology is growing, and so the point is if you had a drone and became familiar with that technology, um, there's probably people that would hire you in your own country even to do certain work for them, like you know, kind of like the farmer drone that I gave you. Um, the point is that your world that you're living in today, Abraham, is changing so much, and it's the more jobs you have or the more technology that you learn as a person, the more type of jobs you can have. Like I'll use my drone sometimes to take pictures also, and they're pretty nice. Anyways, it's just an idea. I hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later. Bye.